Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will be discussing the DTC Diagnostic Trouble Code P0068, which refers to throttle position correlation issues specific to the Honda Civic models from 2022 onwards. This error signifies that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected unusual readings between the throttle position as measured by various sensors, particularly the mass airflow sensor. Located typically within the throttle body assembly, the functioning of the throttle valve is critical for regulating airflow into the engine, which directly influences performance and emission levels. Understanding this code and its associated components is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The DTC P0068 indicates a correlation issue between the throttle position and the readings from the MAF sensor. The throttle body, where the throttle valve is situated, plays a crucial role in controlling the airflow into the engine. The PCM relies on precise feedback from sensors located in and around the throttle assembly, including the mass airflow MAF sensor, manifold absolute pressure, MAP sensor, and others. If the airflow detected by the MAF sensor exceeds a specific predetermined value in relation to the throttle position, the PCM flags this inconsistency and stores the DTC. This malfunction often requires an in-depth examination of the throttle assembly, MAF sensor, and the associated sensors to diagnose the problem accurately. Several potential causes may lead to the occurrence of DTC P0068, but malfunction in the throttle body itself is a common culprit and can result from dirt buildup, mechanical failure, or electronic issues. The MAP sensor, which measures the pressure within the intake manifold, may also be faulty, causing reliance on inaccurate data. Additionally, the turbocharger boost sensor could contribute to this problem, as it measures boost pressure, affecting the overall readings processed by the PCM. Diagnosing these individual components is crucial for resolving the DTC effectively, ensuring that each is in optimal working condition. When DTC P0068 is present, drivers might notice various symptoms, primarily related to engine performance. Poor engine responsiveness or sluggish acceleration can occur as a direct result of this throttle correlation issue, making it challenging to drive the vehicle smoothly. In some cases, the vehicle may exhibit reduced power, particularly during load conditions. Additionally, warning lights on the dashboard, such as the check engine light, may illuminate, prompting further investigation. These symptoms collectively indicate the need for thorough inspection and resolution of the underlying issues associated with DTC P0068. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0068 involves starting the engine and performing a test drive. During the test, it is crucial to maintain consistent parameters, including engine speed, vehicle speed, and readings from crucial sensors like the MAP sensor, turbocharger boost pressure, barometric sensor, and relative throttle position sensor. Observing these parameters in real time can provide valuable insight into the performance of vehicle systems and help validate whether the error code reappears during normal driving conditions. Collecting this data is essential for subsequent diagnosis. In the second step, it is recommended to clean the throttle body. This procedure is essential as carbon buildup or grime can cause the throttle valve to stick, affect its working condition, and provide false readings to the PCM, leading to the DTC P0068 being triggered. After cleaning, the confirmation procedure should be performed to check if the DTC has cleared. If the DTC does not appear again, it may suggest that the cleaning was effective in resolving the issue, thereby restoring normal operation. Should issues persist, further specific diagnostics will be necessary. The third troubleshooting step involves inspecting the MAP, Mass Absolute Pressure Sensor, or IAT Intake Air Temperature Sensor 2. Since there is no direct method to test the sensors themselves, the recommended approach is to replace them with a known good unit. This substitution will help determine if the original sensors are defective and causing the problem. After installation, the next step is to attempt to reproduce the original failure conditions to see if the symptoms or DTC reappear. If successful, it can confirm that the sensor was the root cause. The fourth step focuses on the turbocharger boost sensor, following a similar testing approach as with the MAP sensor. Install a known good turbocharger boost sensor and monitor for any abnormal readings or symptom recurrence. This examination is vital because a faulty boost sensor can adversely affect the functionality of the entire intake air system, leading to erroneous PCM data and the resulting DTC P0068. Should the issues persist even after the replacement, it would indicate that other components or systems may also need to be evaluated. After completing the troubleshooting and making necessary repairs, the final step is to verify that the DTC P0068 has been resolved. This involves checking that the code is absent in the PCM after the repairs and performing a performance test drive to ensure that the vehicle operates smoothly without triggering any warning lights. It's important to validate whether the vehicle responds appropriately under various engine loads as it would in real driving conditions. This final confirmation is crucial for restoring customer confidence and making sure that the vehicle is operating as intended. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues related to DTC P0068 in the future. Regular cleaning of the throttle body can ensure that dirt and carbon deposits do not build up, which could affect performance. Furthermore, conducting routine checks on climate control sensors like the MAP and turbo boost sensors can help prevent unexpected failures. Monitoring overall engine performance not only promotes fuel efficiency, but also ensures that any emerging issues are detected and addressed early on. By maintaining these components proactively, vehicle owners can greatly reduce the risk of error codes and associated symptoms. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0068 is vital for ensuring the Honda Civic operates optimally. This error code signifies critical problems associated with the throttle position correlation and could potentially impact overall vehicle performance significantly. Effective troubleshooting entails a systematic approach, including sensor inspections, cleaning of components, and utilizing known good replacements as necessary. Following the outlined preventive measures can help maintain vehicle integrity and performance over time, drastically minimizing the occurrence of similar issues in the future. Remember, the goal is always to keep the vehicle performing at its best while ensuring driver safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.